Everyone has memories. Some are not positive, but other ones are. Nowadays it's all digital in a phone gallery or on social media. But what if you could make them tangible, creative, and personal? Last week something really special happened, and I'm so excited. I got a chance to give an artwork to something that I really like in the musical world. He is probably unknown for most of you guys, but I really love his work and what he's doing. In the beginning of November this year, in 2024, I went to my first ever musical. And in the Netherlands, it's a musical that probably a lot has been through, but also a lot do not. So if you are in the Netherlands, you have to go to that musical if you never went. And that's Soldaat van Oranje, or in English, Soldier of Orange. It is now the beginning of January and I went 3 times in 2 months. So you can guess that musical is pretty good. It has to be good, right? Because it started in 2010. So the musical is already going 14 years. That's just incredible. The musical, it's about a group of friends who fall apart in World War II. It's about love, friendship and betrayal. About how a world war for students change their perspective and that you never know what's gonna happen. After the first time that I went with my friends, I got a chance to meet Joran, one of the actors, and I got to take a picture with him. And at that moment I knew I want to go another time, and then with my younger sister. And I thought I'm gonna make an artwork for him because he is like the bad guy in the musical, but he got me so good with how he acts and how he did it. And he has like a beautiful voice to sing. So I thought I'm gonna make an artwork for him. So I went another time, but that time with my sister and my father, he wasn't on the schedule to play, so I had to go another time. So 3 days later I went another time with my aunt and I got the chance to give an artwork to him. My aunt made a reaction video, filmed it while I gave him his artwork, so I'm gonna give you a small clip of that. It's in Dutch, so probably most of you cannot understand it, but you can see his reaction, how he loves it.
Heel erg vet. Heel tof. En die afzit daar zo geworden. Wat leuk.
Ik had hem opnieuw moeten maken, want ik had hem af en dat blijft er meteen in. Maar toen heb ik hem in de olie op leggen. Dus ik kan er andere plekken zo maken.
Oh, dit is flink. Oh mijn god.
Ja, ik heb 2, die andere is thuis.
Echt te gek. Deze ga ik absoluut ophangen. Heel tof.
Ik ben hier al blij mee, want zou je deze ook wel vet vinden. Ik vond deze eigenlijk tof. Ik had hem bijna niet eens willen geven, dus ik blij mee met deze.
Maar wil je hem wel geven?
Ja, ik wil hem zeker
Oké.
wel geven. Ik heb een kopje voor mezelf, maar deze ben ik echt heel trots op.
Oh, wauw.
Dingen die ik heb gedaan.
Wat ontzettend tof is dit, hè? Heel vet. Ik ben een beetje stil van. Oh, heel erg tof. Dus ik heb allebei op te hangen, denk ik. Nou, wat ontzettend lief. En mooi.
Ik weet niet of jullie het gezien.
Oh, wat goed.
Ik heb 50 meenemen.
Ja, te gek. Ja, vind ik heel erg leuk. Heel erg lief. Dankjewel.
En ik had een 2.
And that's just a memory that I want to keep in like a fanzine or a book that I want to make, to look in it and not just see it on my phone, because on my phone I can watch the video over and over again, but to have like a Soldier of Orange fanzine with my favorite cast after 3 times and just looking back on the scenes and everything, it's gonna be so much fun. And as you can see, I already made a lot before about movies and my favorite actors and series and everything. So it's time to add another one on this pile. So we're gonna have to start with a layout. I make it in Canva to make it myself easy. I can use Photoshop or InDesign or any other program like that, but Canva is just easy to paste everything in and don't make it too long. I'm putting on some pictures and text, but leave a lot of space for the writing, to write a lot of memories in it with stickers and fun doodles. And now it's time to print it and putting it together. I use A4 normal paper and then glue them together, and then the other one stitch them together in the middle with like needle and a thread. So that's always something that I learned by myself, and it's really fun to do, to make it like a little book. And it's something really more better than just some stitches. Alright, I got them all together now, and it's now time to write some memories in it with some cute stickers and just beautiful messages, and to make it more pop. So let's start writing it all in and see what I can make of this beautiful moment. If you look online, there are like a lot of examples on how you can make a fanzine. You can make it all online, or you can make it all on paper, or just a little online and some on paper. So it's just your own way of making it. It doesn't have to be clean or neat. It is just your own way of showing or just keeping a memory together that you can grab anytime you want, and just to look in it and just see what maybe in a few years, if you look back to it, that you know, oh yeah, that's what happened, and then you have like a fun memory, not only on your phone. So I'm not always trying to make it all neat, but sometimes you know you want to write well in it and not just writing ugly or just drawing ugly in it, but that's for everyone different. So I just go through it and just see what's on my heart, and just writing it in and just see how it's gonna look at the end. You can always add some stickers or add any doodles if you want, but let's see where this is going. I have to say, the last time that I went, before I gave the artwork to him at the end of the musical, I was really nervous in the musical to give it to him. It's just like excitement and just nervous of what he's gonna think of my artwork, you know? And then you should have something like this.